Unboxing sila og Kitchen Spray Intelligent.
I'm excited.
You're excited?
To cook something for mommy and daddy.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Gabi, this is YouTube, Gab.
What?
This is YouTube. You say you want a vlogger. Say hi, guys.
Hi. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.
Now we're unboxing this one.
We're unboxing the kitchen toy. Sorry if we forgot to unboxing the JBL.
JBL.
Yeah. My JBL speakers here. It's 100% battery, and this is the charger. And said 4 go.
Tomorrow na lang na, imo i-unboxing. Where's the box of that, Gab? Get the box of that JBL ka, put in your bag. Then tomorrow you unboxing that one. Okay?
But it needs to be fast now.
Lain sinig camera ni mo eh. Ano, di siya clear. Ano na siya? Hi, Amor. Are you ready?
Mommy, what did you want to eat in my kitchen food?
I want fried eggs.
Store.
By store? Can I
I
have...
mean, not store. Like, you call it Costco.
Huh?
Costco.
Costco?
Yeah, Costco has food too to cook.
It's a free taste in Costco.
Yeah, so mommy, look.
There's our 2 cooking side. There's a pillar.
clock. Look at the clock.
There's a tap water.
Sorry, guys, look at the clock. But the clock. Mommy, and mommy,
How many is there? Oh, this one is kadang maghimo sila murag juice, daddy. Kini? Milk. And we have this one. Kuya, we're unboxing.
Mommy.
You should clear yung camera, daddy. As in.
Okay.
No, ano siya? Kana ang color niya ba is kanan mo.
Where?
Ang color ba is
Ako okay galing yung camera.
di mo di color sa imong camera.
Mommy, and you need to tell me the food what you want, then also buy.
Okay.
Mom, look, this is the food and this is the buying.
And I'm gonna find the working inlet.
Meow, meow.
Uh-oh, pick it up now, please. Where is this little inlet, huh?
I got it.
You build the one, kuya.
But you need a glue.
You need a glue? Is
Yeah.
it need a glue, daddy? It's not, kuya.
So can I try, Daddy, to build this? Come on, can I try? Okay. Let me do the ice cream.
Oh, warm na siya.
Kasi kuwang. Complete mo ka na, kuwang.
Asa na po ano na. Open the battery cover. Sa may battery cover ano eh. Papunin kasi siyang find the inlet.
Hey, something fell down, Dad.
Pag open niyo, complete. Ay, kung bahana. Close mo ka.
Close na noon.
Yung hakam. Hindi, kuwang siya.
I'm seafood. What the clock is it? It's 25.